still choose to be positive. That it will really, the time for you will really.
Yes, I can really sense it.
Gusto ko pong mag-study sa Canada para po pag-uwi ko dito sa Pilipinas, meron po akong better future.
Ang experience, it was very frustrating kay. So it was a very frustrating but Hi, my name is June Cesar Canono. Taga-Lapu-Lapu ako kay sa school. Akong chosen program kay Aircraft Maintenance Engineers Technology sa SAIT.
Why did you choose Canada as your study destination?
Actually, dugay naman sa push akong family nga mo apas dito kaya I have cousins and aunts dito sa Canada niya. Wala jud kay kuya kanang plano to sa una ba kay bata pa lagi o ganahan mo liway gani mo layo pero nagkatigon change naman ang mind niya. I think it's a good opportunity for me to go there.
Kani imong program of choice, sir? Unsa man din siya like kanang imo gyud first choice or na naka-experience daan ani?
Yeah, it's my first choice kay sa akong eskwelahan dire. Same ra siya. So aircraft maintenance ko here. Yeah. Akong plan kay I was going to pursue aircraft maintenance pero I was not
dito
eskwela
na,
ko.
diretso na. Alright. In terms imong experience before during sa visa, I think usa ka sa mga applicants na medyo dali-dali ang result dayon. So, but during sa preparation, sa pag-gather of documents, the overall process, can you share to us unsa imong experience?
Honestly, ang experience, it was very frustrating kay ang waiting ba? Yeah. So it was a very frustrating but very satisfying experience. Especially when Miss Jel called me to say nga accepted among application. So it boils down to salig lang sa agent nimo ba sa ilang process niya. Be patient. It was a very good experience for me.
And anything that you want to give or share advice for kanang prospect or mga students na who also want to or currently nagduha-duha pa mo proceed og mga international study or basically taking pursuit, what will be your advice then?
Just do it. It's a very good opportunity for everyone in your life and just don't be scared to take the leap. It'll get better.
Who would you like to thank? Your parents or your sponsor? You can grab this opportunity to thank them.
I would like to thank my family first and foremost. Okay, they supported me every step of the way. They sponsored me to have this opportunity to study outside the country. My relatives in Canada for also supporting me and giving me emotional support during the waiting period. Kasi sila mo sige ko anak ko. Push back na. Padayon lang. Maabot lang. And my girlfriend was always there for me while I was doing the documentations. Yeah. Think visa, think wise.